This is the Type 95 Hargo, and it's our only Japanese tank in our collection. And right at the back of the vehicle, there's a great bit of design, which is in the form of this right here. That, believe it or not, is a doorbell designed to look like the rivets all over the vehicle. And the reason that that doorbell is there is so that if there's a Japanese soldier on the outside, Japanese infantry, trying to communicate with the Japanese crew on the inside, they know that there is a button at the back of this tank which will enable them to talk with the crew inside. If you are an American soldier and you see this tank and you want to get the crew to expose themselves and maybe take them out, they are far less likely to know that that doorbell is there at the back. So, great little bit of design.